Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a zoom transition for the eye in the free version of VSDC without using the mask's overlay mode. We'll create a transition like this. So let's get started. Create a new project and name it Eye. Device free configuration, resolution custom, frame rate 30, width 1080, height 1920, accept. Close the slideshow wizard as we won't need it today. First, let's create the main sprite container where all the project's objects will be. The Add Sprite button. In the Object Position Settings window, under Object Position in the timeline, check from Start of the scene. Set the duration to 1 minute. And confirm. Draw a rectangle of any size and shape on the screen. In the Properties window, under Name, type Main. And click the Set the same size as the parent has button. Double click on the sprite to open it for editing. Let's go over our plan. First, add all the media files we need to the Resources window. You can traditionally download them via the link in the video description. Second, create a reflection effect in the eye video. Third, create a lens reflection effect. Fourth, create a zoom in and move through effect for the eye. Alright. That's enough theory, let's get creative. Open the Resources window and the File Explorer on your computer, where the downloaded media files are located. Drag and drop them into the Resources window. Close the File Explorer. Drag the eye video onto the timeline by holding the left mouse button. Select Add as Video. Right-click and hover over Crop Tools, then select Auto Cropping. This will stretch the video proportionally to the screen size. Find the moment when the eye is fully open. I did it around 2 seconds and 20 frames. Double click on the eye video. Use the Zoom Levels tool to zoom into 100%. Click the Add Ellipse button. Confirm the default settings. Draw an ellipse in the center of the eye, smaller than the pupil. Choose the third ellipse style from the left. In the Properties window, under Brush, select black color. Confirm. Use the Zoom to Screen button to zoom out. Set the blending mode to XOR. Double-click on the ellipse object. Right-click, hover over Video Effects, Filters, and choose Gaussian Blur. Confirm the default settings. In the Properties window, enable Expand the boundaries. This will smoothly blend the reflection into the pupil. Increase the blur levels to 20. Return to the main level. Open the Resources window and drag the reflection video onto the timeline below the eye video. Select Add as Video. Temporarily hide the eye video by clicking the eye icon. Highlight the eye video and click the Move to Next keyframe button. Then move the cursor to the right edge of the eye video. Highlight the reflection video. Click the Split into Parts button and move the cursor to the beginning. Double-click on the left part of the reflection video. Right-click, hover over Video Effects, Transforms, and select Lens Distortion. Confirm the default settings. In the Properties window, change Correction Mode to Light Mode and increase Distortion Factor to 10. To gradually reveal the reflection effect, let's add the Fade-in effect. Right-click, hover over Video Effects, Transparency, and select Fade In. Set it to the whole parent duration. Confirm. Return to the main level. Enable visibility for the eye video. Hold the Shift key and resize the left part of the reflection video to fit the eye, maintaining proportion. Move the reflection video to the eye area, temporarily moving into the top level. Once positioned, move the reflection video back down a layer. Click on an empty space to deselect. Right-click and select Video Effects, Transforms, and Crop. Confirm the default settings. If the crop effect is not on the top level, move it to the top level. Highlight the eye video and click the Move to Next keyframe button, moving the cursor to the right edge of the eye video. Highlight the crop effect and extend its duration to the cursor point. Double-click on the crop effect. In the Properties window, find the left field and click on the three dots button. In the Keyframe Editor window, click the Move to Next keyframe button. Press the Constant Parameter Value button once. In the Properties window, click the Crop Tools button. While holding down the left mouse button, reduce the size of the selected frame to the size of the pupil of the eye in the video. Do it like me. Use the Zoom Levels tool for precision. Apply effect. Use the Zoom to Screen to zoom out. Return to the main level. Duplicate the crop effect. Select both crop files and click the Remove Gaps button. Double-click on the right crop effect and swap the start and end values for left, top, right and bottom, like me. Apply the effect and return to the main level. Click on an empty space to deselect. Add a motion blur filter for a teleportation effect. Right-click, hover over video effects, filters, and choose motion blur. In the Object Position Settings window, under Object Position in the timeline, check from Manual Position. Set the duration to 2 seconds and confirm. Double-click on the motion blur effect. In the Properties window, we find the motion type and change it to Zoom Motion. Open the blur distance field and increase the initial value to 100 and decrease the final value to 0. Return to the main level. Select the right video file reflection. Press the Move it to the next keyframe button. Return to the scene level. Highlight the main sprite and expand its duration to the cursor point. Finally, let's review the results. Thank you all for watching. I am not saying goodbye, but see you in the next videos on my channel. Have a great day, everyone.